Hey everyone, here's a new video of the Ultra Bonds ALGO recap of Friday 25 of March 2022. Let's start with the London session. This is Frankfurt, opens at 8 o'clock my time. I am on GMT +1. On the chart again, short briefing on what we see. Of course, these lines like this is the VWAP. This is the VWAP here in the middle, standard deviation levels we use just to know where price is, and the red line is a 200 simple moving average. Simple rules: if price and signals are above the 200 SMA, we only take the longs. If we are below the 200 SMA, we only take the shorts. We are very overextended. We went from a London Open from a narrow market, price is very narrow to the 200, and we moved very far away and we rotated on this standard deviation 2, and percentage wise, I don't know the exact percentage, but many times, let's say 78% or something, I don't know, I don't remember anymore. 78% of the time price wants to go back into the lower standard deviations. This is what many markets do. I don't take the first counter signal because we only take the longs, but I do take the second counter signal back to the 200, and right away after that we get a signal short below the 200. So what did we see on the London Open? First long signal, this was a win. Second was a win, and the third was a win. You can just enter on the green candles, keep it simple. Again, for those who want to trade the counter structure change signals also like this one, this would also be a win because structure changed. We did not get new highs. We just get lower highs and lower lows. This is the correctional move. Back to the London Open around here. Right, so we had all wins, 4 wins, 3 wins here, and this was a win. 4 wins, and this might be considered as an extra win. So all good. 4 easy wins during the London session. Then it's lunchtime. That's 3 hours past London Open. London Open 9 o'clock my time, GMT +1. I trade the first 2 hours, 2.5. Many times I stop trading around here, 11:30, because I just need a break for the focus. So that maybe you would miss out on this trade, but again, you got 3 trades, 3 good winners, so all good. Then it's lunchtime. I always stay away during Euro lunchtime. This is Bond Open. Let's see what market gives us. We got a short, price is below the 200 short, a big win on the market open. And if you want to look more at structure, what do you see? Of course, we see the structure broke also over here. We got red candles, red clouds. We are looking for a short signal. As soon as you see this, price is below the cloud, below the 200. You just wait for the signal and then you enter as soon as the signal appears. So all good, a big win. This thing dropped. And we even went to the standard deviation 3. This is a purple color on my indicator because price has always a little bit trouble staying outside the standard deviation 3. The big algos are outside here, pushing price back up. This is why you see price has a hard time getting really outside the standard deviation. Some more inside market information, but nice to know. So big win on the Bond Open here. We broke out of the small range. Here 2 wins, here a win, here a win. So what can I say? Good wins. New York Open. I don't take this counter, by the way. We had a short signal right on the open. Here we had a short signal, but within the same 5 seconds we get gray candles. So you wait for new red. That would be here. And you enter. That would be a win. This one is on the gray, so you wait for red. So then you would enter on this, would be a win. And this one maybe, what shall I say? Here was the signal 35. This was hard to take. Within 6 seconds, we turn to gray. Maybe you miss it or not, but your stop would be above here. Maybe your stop got hit, otherwise you would have a win. We use a stop of, let's say, 3 ticks. And we want to take at least 4 to 6 ticks minimum on our trades. As long as you see the structure continuing, everything is red, nothing is changing, then just keep in a trade and you can take longer profits, bigger profits. Like here, this one. These are the best ones. Market open, bond open. We see a narrow state, price wants to break out, it does. And you get more than 20 ticks, maybe even more on this run. Just stay in the trade. Put your stop to break even, put your stop to +3, +6, +9, etc. Trail this thing. You only need this one trade for the whole day. Then you close the PC. Don't stay at the PC for hours, guys. No need for that. Good trade on the open. Good. New York Open. These were the wins we talked about. Okay. Longs we don't take. We're here at a daily pivot. Then we break out of this range. The algo see this range. It triggers no signal. We are in this range right here. See, we break out and we get the signal on volume. And there we go. A big winner. Depending on how many contracts you take. I trade most of the time like 4 contracts. 4 contracts, 6 ticks is $750. And this move was 27. And here I trade to the deviation levels. These work like magnets. They attract and push away, as you can see. 28 standard deviation was 17. That's 9 ticks. Am I correct? Yeah, 9 ticks. 9 ticks, guys. Very nice trade. What do we see? New win. Another win. Like this, if you want to take 6 ticks and you see gray going against you, then okay, you still see this thing going red and then going against you, close the trade. You would closing the trade because you will have set your stop to break even as soon as you get like 3 ticks in profit. So this would be break even, I think, and this would be a win. It all depends on management, but again, keep it simple. 3 ticks in profit, move the stop to break even. Don't let a winning trade become a losing trade. This thing signals off here at 41.55. This would be a loss, maybe loss, depending on how fast you're in. Let's say this is a loss. And these are all winners. So even if you lose this thing 3 ticks or 4 ticks, whatever your stop would be, look how many winning trades you get in like 1 hour. This is 45 minutes. This is 45 minutes till here. From this start to here, 45 minutes, guys. How many ticks you can make in 1 hour, what other people make in 2-3 weeks, maybe a month. This is a monthly pay. Only these few trades in 45 minutes. Don't trade all day. Trade bond open. Trade maybe the first 30-40 minutes of the New York Open. If you are a Euro trader, trade the London Open, these few trades. Many times I only take these trades and I don't trade in a bond open or New York. Bond open I always like to check, but not always trade, because you have profits and you want to protect your profits. So back to the New York here. This would be break even. Well, we can check it. Signal would be here on this one, 1601. I think it's hard to enter. Yeah, you would have be on the gray candle, so you wait till the next red. 214. Yeah, 3 seconds. I think this will be break even or a loss. This one. No trade. We are on the gray candles. This short signal, so you don't trade. Then we are above the 200 SMA. Long signal. Look at this baby. Look how many ticks. This is crazy. Smaller waves. We see smaller waves. Price is slowing down. If you want to make a channel, you'll see it like this. Break of structure. This is so it's as simple as this. Structure changed, and I like to take this one, maybe this one, but I see this new structure, right? So I'm not afraid to take these. But the next update, you will have the option to filter out these counter signals if it would be too hard for you. So that's no problem. And next update will also have alerts and pop-ups. So this is the London close, because for me, this is the end of the day. I want to chill out and prepare dinner for my family. I like to cook. But some of you guys want to trade more. This can be sometimes a little bit rangy because volume is dropping. I would advise to start looking at the market again around, let's say, after the New York lunchtime. Let's say that would be around here, 7 o'clock, 1900 hours, my time. Then there will be a little bit more volume. Americans are, after lunch, getting back in the offices, trading. Winner, winners, winner, loss, no trade, winner or break even. So that's about it. That's the close of the market. So still a good market. Yeah, good signals. And again, it's also about what time of day you trade. My advice, trade when Euro market and American market are overlapping. And that is why we have the bond open. And the New York open, I start looking at the market like 20 minutes before the bond open. And then I trade till the New York open, maybe 30 minutes after, because I also do London. Good setups, guys, good setups. Again, good win ratio. And hit me up on my Discord server if you want to know more about how to trade this algo or want to get the algo on your Ninjatrader. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.